Good night, everybody, or good evening? Yes, good evening, everybody. So tonight we're gonna go over the high bun that I was wearing the other day that everybody was commenting on, and we're gonna go over our products, and then we're gonna do our giveaway. All right, so the products that we're gonna go over today is Kevin Murphy. I realized that we didn't go over Kevin Murphy yet, and it's one of our biggest lines, and it just flies off the shelves. People love Kevin Murphy. Kevin Murphy was created by a session stylist. So what that means is he does photo shoots all day long. So he wanted to create a line that was really, really nice, that would not weigh down the hair. So all of their products are based on skincare, and they actually go into the hair and they won't weigh it down. So this is the Repair Me rinse and the Restore cleansing treatment. So the Restore cleansing treatment is something that you use when your hair is in between washes and you don't necessarily want to use a shampoo or something that's going to clean it too much. And then this is the treatment, so it's going to give you basically deep conditioning, and it smells really good. Love Kevin Murphy. This is also their dry shampoo. So this is our #1 seller for Kevin Murphy. It smells delicious and people love it. How to properly use a dry shampoo, a lot of people don't know. What you want to do is, I'm going to use just this mini one because this is what I happen to have. You want to spray the dry shampoo into the hair. Absolutely. Can you grab me a towel? Yes, thank you. Lift it up and get underneath there. Perfect. So you want to let that sit for a few minutes and absorb the oil. She doesn't actually have any oil because she's not a real human, so we can just show you. So once it's done its job and it's absorbed all the oil, you want to take a towel or something and you want to rub it in, and that will help. Hi, how are you? It'll help remove all the products. So sometimes you'll find if you use a dry shampoo that it can feel a little bit heavy. This will stop that from happening. So just give it a good scrub with the towel after letting your dry shampoo do its thing. And that is the key to success with that. All right, so we're gonna do the little bun that I had on my hair the other day that everybody loved. And then we're gonna add some glitter to it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to add glitter to your updos. So let me just reposition here. So depending on what look you're going for, I think we're gonna go all back today. If you didn't want it to be as aggressive and all back, what you would wanna do is leave not a big horseshoe, but like a little horseshoe like this out. Maybe I'll do that because I feel like you guys would know how to do a regular ponytail. All right, so we will leave it out. So you're doing like a tiny little horseshoe. And basically if you feel your head, where it starts to slope down, that part forward is what you would leave. Oh, so we'll just clip that out of the way because this is going to allow us to give a little bit of height in the top, which will be amazing. So first step is you want to put it into a high ponytail. I like my ponytail when it's high to sit above. I know I'm kind of mean to her, but she's just she likes me, I think. Okay, so we're going to put it up here. So we're going to spray it. So whenever you want an updo and you want it to be really smooth, you want to hold the hair up into the shape that you're looking for. And her hair might not be quite long enough. Tallulah, can you grab me the other mannequin head? Actually, you know what? I think her hair will be just long enough, actually. All right, so after you have it in the ponytail, I'm just holding it with my hand. So how to get the really smooth look from a ponytail is you're gonna spray it with hairspray. And you're gonna brush it before the hairspray dries. And what that's gonna do, it's gonna give it really, really smooth results. have a little ponytail here.
And she's 2 years older than me, so that's another good thing that she's got that. So she's got to like see something that needs to be done and does it either it needs to be done. Like I asked her, she sees my pattern.
All right, so we have her in a little ponytail, and you can see how smooth and sleek that is. So now we have this section to deal with. What I'm gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of back combing in, and it's kind of like the other thing we were doing. Actually, we'll start at the front and go backwards. So I was trying to do it this way so you can see. So you start at the front. I like to leave like the very first section out because you're just gonna comb it out anyway. And then we're gonna go like this, and we're gonna back comb and then add a section in.
I showed her how to take like how I like my pictures because that's the big thing. It's like, you know, you can learn how to do it, but when you're doing my clients do it my way, you know.
Alrighty. So then we're gonna comb that out. And it's just like when we talked about doing the volume pony. So you're gonna go like that. And then we're gonna take another ponytail and stick it in. So that way you're just gonna get a little bit of volume. So you can see she has a little bit of height, and then she's really nice and smooth. So my bun was really high and really big because I have all of this crazy hair. This girl doesn't have nearly as much hair, but we can still create the illusion that she does. So how you're gonna do that is you're gonna back comb. So you're making it bigger and bigger and building and building and building. And then you just kind of curl it around, wrap it around, and smooth it out. And then you're going to just pin it once you get it in the shape that you want. Alright, so then you would pin that in. I'm just gonna move that out of my way. And again, you're going to crisscross your pins underneath just like we've been doing all week. So don't forget to watch the other videos if you've missed any. And you want to know what the heck is going on. I'm trying not to repeat too much so you're not too bored. Because that is no fun. But maybe, you know, it's good for you to hear it a couple times. You can see she's got her little swoopy bun, just a few pins in there. If you want volume, Tara, but you will probably already get volume and texture from it being curly, so probably not. All right, so then you're gonna put some spray in it. And then this is where we're going to teach you how to put glitter in your updo. So you can do this with your hair down, you can do it with your hair up, you can do pretty much anything. So this is glitter from Michaels. I like this one. It's hard to see maybe if I go closer, because it's kind of iridescent and it's clear. You want to make sure that you're not using a glitter that is really chunky and tacky looking, because you won't get the nice effect that you're going to get from using this one. So let's see if I can show you really well here. You can see it's very, very iridescent-y and fairy. All right, so to put the glitter on the hair, it's very simple. You put hairspray, then you're gonna take some glitter and you're gonna sprinkle it on where you want it. So this is perfect for that holiday party. You wanna make sure that you are sprinkling it and you're not, you know, completely putting it in one chunk. So I'm just pinching it with my finger and just kind of gently putting it on. So after you're done with the glitter, oh, look at that. So sparkly, looks so amazing, that you're going to want to give it a good coat of hairspray to hold that glitter on. And then it's basically a nice glittery little updo, perfect for that holiday party. And she's got a little bit of volume so she's not slick back, and that part's optional. So all I did was I put her hair up and then I back combed and then I put another pony and then just wrapped it around. And there you are. And now we're going to announce our winner for the evening. Alrighty. So the winner today is going to win the Express Treatment Primer from Redken. This is the pillow proof. So this is going to help your blow dry faster, 50% faster. It helps the water evaporate. It's going to protect it up to 450. It's amazing. Love this stuff. And the Control Addict Hairspray. So this hairspray would be amazing for this updo. And you can like spray it in and put the glitter in. So congratulations, Kayla Hansen, you've won today's prize, which is these two products. So we're gonna put those on the front for you. Don't forget to comment with suggestions of what you want us to make or do tutorials on, or if you have any other questions that you want to have answered by me. I would love to help you out with that. If you've missed any and you want to do some more, we still want to do some on like magnetic lashes and that sort of thing. So that's all for tonight, and keep the suggestions coming and the comments coming. We're loving doing this, so we have a few more. I think we're at 14 today or 13 today, so we're almost halfway. So super excited to keep giving you guys stuff. So bye.
Yeah. So we have